Hi there. In this video, we'll explore how to use the manual stepper feature. It's a side panel feature that helps you effortlessly exclude manual tasks like CAPTCHA automation, OTPs authentication, and other critical manual interventions from your automation recordings. Let's understand this using hybrid testing, which blends manual and automated testing. First, create a new test suite by going to Record and clicking New, give it a name, and start recording. As you capture the necessary actions, you'll reach the manual step. Here's where the manual stepper comes into picture. Simply click on Manual Stepper. Now input the capture value when prompted, then stop the stepper. When prompted, define the manual test case by providing a name and description, then hit Add. Once done, end the recording and save. During playback, the manual step will pause to allow for manual input, where you'll again enter the CAPTCHA and resume. You will then be prompted to verify the status of the manual test case by selecting either Pass or Fail. After confirming the manual test case, the playback will validate the remaining actions, and you'll receive a test report summary at the end. Click to view the report, where you'll find the manual stepper test case listed, thus simplifying your testing process.